We are here at the traditional company Otto Maschinenbau, and I'm standing next to the General Director, Rolf-Günther Kropetzky. Mr. Kropetzky, the sliding table saw, that is what we're going to be talking about now. You've got an innovation here. Yes, we are showing here at the trade fair 3 new models. We are here in front of our flagship, the turning model, T70, and there's a T65, and in the lower area, in the price sector, the T60A. So let's have a look at the flagship here, the T70. What is so special about this machine? Well, on the one hand, the size of the saw. We have a diameter of 550 millimeters that we can work with, and in the swung area 45 degrees, this saw can still saw down to 204 millimeters. Well, the tradesman really finds it important that it's easy to use. Yes, well, with such a large saw, it is necessary to take out the pre-cutter. That is not simple, that is not easy, but we did manage to find a good solution so that with very few, very small steps, very few steps, we can change it, the setting. I release the screw here, and I press the pre-cutter slightly and put the handle up and can pull it out. See? It's really that simple. Yes, that is very simple. There's something else about this machine that we do have to mention. Yes, we've come back to the original connection system. It's very heavy, and by using this concrete, there is not much in the way of resonance. Well, what normally is not on this machine, the sticker, the secret behind it, that is something that we're going to tell you now. Happy birthday! That is what I can say now, because Otto Maschinenbau is going to be, Mr. Kropetzky, and this year it's going to be 90 years old. Yes, we're very happy about this birthday. Our company was founded in 1922 by Otto Martin. In 1922 there was a crisis as well, and since then there have been many crises that the company Martin has managed to wade through successfully. The last crisis we also survived very successfully. We got over it. I mean the financial crisis that started this economic crisis. Is that crisis now over, or is it still a difficult time? Well, the question, what do we understand if we say it's difficult? Of course, business is not easy. There are many developments on the market that we see as a challenge to meet these high standards. One topic is the improving industrialization that is not staying away from tradespeople. So, of course, improvement and innovation is good for the whole business here. What have you thought about it? Well, in regards to productivity, we have done a huge amount for craftspeople. All our machines have a high emphasis on productivity. For example, our cutting machine, it means a tool change of about 1 minute. There's not much we can minimize in that, but what we're focusing on now is the further processing of information for an order that a client, a carpenter has, so that this information is passed on, because information can be mixed up there, and we want to achieve that information that is already on one machine is passed on to the next machine. That sounds a bit like the next 90 years are going to be safe. Yes, we've already got them in the drawer, as they say in German. So there's only one thing to say: all the best for the future.